The Approaching Vehicle Sound for Pedestrians system, or VSP, is a feature that causes the vehicle to emit a sound when driven at low speeds. Because of the naturally quiet operation of electric vehicles, this function is used to alert pedestrians of an oncoming vehicle. When the vehicle starts to move, it produces a sound. The sound will stop when the vehicle reaches speeds of approximately 25 miles per hour while accelerating. The sound will start again when the vehicle is being driven at speeds under 22 miles per hour while decelerating. When the vehicle stops, the sound will stop as well. However, if the vehicle is in reverse, the sound will continue even when the vehicle comes to a complete stop. It is not possible to turn the system off. The volume of the sound emitted can be increased by visiting a Nissan EV certified dealer. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.